What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to complete the deep cover campaign level very easily. This is also my favorite campaign level.
Watcher to Yankee, eyes on the base, approaching now.
Copy watch against real. Keep a low profile.
They're suspicious.
Come this way, try to stay away from everybody.
Should have sent you his location by now.
Affirmative. Arclom Administrative Building, near the hangar. Look for a satellite dish on the roof.
Copy. Need to blend in better.
So far, so good.
Got a problem. Need a security keycard to access.
Good thing you're a spy.
Come over here and go into this little storage unit and wait for the big boss to come. And whenever he comes, kill him with your throwing knife.
He's heading towards an equipment room. He's down.
It's clear. Take him out and get his card.
Target eliminated,
Yuri's waiting.
keycard secured.
He took one for the team.
Had to be done. Target down.
That one's on Makarov, not you.
Yuri better make this worth our while.
No one should bother you, so just scan the keycard.
I'm in.
Yuri said he'd be in the storage room down the hall, to the right of the entrance.
Found it. Going in. Bravo, your signal's weak. Come again.
In the blind, we have 2 missiles incoming to the Arclov base. They have chemical warheads. If you are there, get out.
This could be a today.
It's not. There's another one coming.
We have to go. We cannot be together. As well go, Dachi.
Come in, are you alive?
For now. Missile attack, chemical warheads.
Get to the high ground. Look for a way up the roof.
Need an ETA, Nick.
Circling now. People are dying down there. Is Yuri with you?
Still pushing up, Nick. Hold for me.
As well.
Ooh!
Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe.